Simile or metaphor? Let's learn the difference in the easiest way. Today we're learning two powerful tools used in English: similes and metaphors. A simile compares two things using the words like or as. It helps us describe something in a clear and fun way. The clouds are like cotton. He is as fast as a cheetah. Her smile shines like the sun. A simile makes the comparison clear, using like or as. A metaphor also compares two things, but it does not use like or as. It says something is something else. Examples: time is a thief. Her voice is music. The classroom was a zoo. A metaphor is stronger. It makes your imagination wake up. So, what's the difference? A simile says something is like something. A metaphor says something is something. Simile: he jumps like a rabbit. Metaphor: he is a rabbit. Let's test. Is this a simile or a metaphor? The snow is a white blanket. Metaphor: she is as busy as a bee. Simile: his heart is gold. Metaphor: the water sparkles like glass. Simile. And now you know. Simile uses like or as and metaphor makes the comparison stronger. Keep practicing your English with us.